welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dal. Let's look at today's top health highlights. Gambia government on Friday said the number of child deaths from acute kidney injury thought to be linked to Indian-made cough syrups has risen to 70 from a previous toll of 69. President Adama Barrow gave the update at an emergency cabinet meeting which he convened on Thursday to discuss the crisis. The syrups were found to be made by New Delhi-based Maiden Pharmaceuticals Ltd, which has since had one of its factories shut down in northern India as health authorities they are investigating. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.